This is Ask Brock. I'm Brock Yorty. This week's question comes from Davis. Brock, we had a well drilled that was an open rock production zone, and it was drilled on all polymer, and we're not getting the specific capacity that we thought we would. Is there anything we can do to fix that damage? It's a great question. What I would need to know is diameter of the hole. How far is it to rock? Are we cased? But let's just get into it. One thing, long chain polymers have terrible filtration control. We get this high viscous drag and we believe that's good for hole cleaning, but we're using velocity to clean the hole. The polymer is not helping us. Being a long chain polymer, sodium hypochlorite is your best bet at breaking it down, but there's also all sorts of other development chemicals, and you can reach out to the manufacturer that this happened with and have a discussion with them what they would use. It's going to be all about application and force. And I just talked about well development, so it's always about minimizing the impact to the production zone. So I'm drilling with this polymer slurry, and I've been in training solids, and I have a poor solids control program, but we're saying that, there's no suspension in polymer, so the cutting should have settled out. Well, they got into the production zone, and the path of least resistance was out instead of up, and instead of having that influx of water, our polymers, some of them possibly not fully yielded out, went into that production zone and caused us to start blocking off those pathways for water. So I'm going to go in with my sodium hypochlorite mix, and I'm going to focus with a jetting tool 1 to 2 feet of that zone at a time, and I'm going to jet and break up all of that material. And I'm going to start at the bottom, and I'm going to stage my way up and out. And I'm going to work that 1 to 2 foot section, making sure I'm pumping at least, 3 times the volume of what that zone was for that 1 to 2 feet. When I get out, I'm going to run in and I'm going to surge the heck out of that entire zone. And I'm going to hopefully bring out, start bringing in all of that unyielded bad polymers, breaking it down, and then I may have to airlift it out. I may have to bail it out, depending on how we're going to develop it back out. But it's going to be a jetting and surging, and you just want to have as much focused energy as possible to get that stuff broken up and out. And it's possible. You just going to need to know a little bit more about, the diameter of the production zone. What do we have for casing? And how I can get in there and agitate and scour and surge to bring that stuff out. Need a little bit more information, but good luck, Davis.